Hello everyone, this is Mark from Cologne Watch, and today I have two very rare watches, modern watches from Audemars Piguet for you. The first one will be the 15202, the extra thin in titanium platinum, and then I have also the 41mm chronograph with me, and yeah, I don't think that this is going to happen in the future. But before we start, please make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the like button. If you are going to buy these two watches or one of these, you will probably get this Audemars Piguet wooden box, and besides that there is something new with all deliveries from this year. So now you get not the booklet like you used to get. They changed into this small booklet. There is one manual for the movement, and this is now the certificate, the warranty card with all the details, limited edition, and yeah, they now give 5 years warranty, so this is a quite good thing. But now let's start and get into the watches. Okay, so let's first start with the 15202. This one is the most wanted watch in general from the Audemars Piguet collection. This piece is the extra thin, which has a long history with Audemars Piguet. It was the first stainless steel sports watch which was that expensive. After that, the Nautilus was invented and released. And this one we see it's made out of platinum and titanium. The bezel is platinum and it is polished like a mirror, and also this middle links are polished like a mirror. And the dial is also quite different to the regular collection. We have a faded blue from the inside. The inside where the hands are, it's quite blue, and then to the outside it gets more into like almost black kind of color. So this one, like all the other models, it fits quite nicely. The wearing comfort is perfectly balanced, and I have to say this watch is pretty rare. There are only 250 pieces made, and yeah, I'm quite happy that I have one of these in the shop, and it won't stay long. The retail price was 35,000 euro, I think, but to get this watch for that price, it's impossible. So if we compare that watch to the Platinum Anniversary Nautilus, the price is quite reasonable at the moment. You can have it for, I would say, 60,000 euro. You can find it. But besides that model, they also released a bigger version, which has the same metal used. It's titanium and platinum. Also, this bezel is polished like a mirror, and the links are also platinum here. This is the new chronograph movement. You can push the buttons without unwinding the screw, so also no glass bottom. Like with this one, you always have this glass bottom. And the small second here at 6 o'clock, the small second here at 6 o'clock is a little bit smaller than the other two. If you want a more bigger watch and also limited edition, then you can choose this one. I have to say it's not that popular than the 15202. Overall, this watch is, I almost think, like 20,000 euro cheaper than the 15202 on the grey market. The retail price probably is a little bit higher, but at the end, the people more want the 15202 with the extra thin movement. But this is also a nice watch. You have to be really careful with the bezel because it gets scratched very easy. So let's put for the last time the 15202 on the wrist. It will be quite nice to see the development of Audemars Piguet in the next year, because they changed so much regarding the retailers here in Germany. So yeah, I keep an eye on this brand, and let's see what they will do next year, and also keep an eye on the prices, because I'm quite sure that all models, also the old Royal Oaks from the 80s, they will get more expensive at the end. So yeah, I'm happy that I could present you these two watches. It will take a while to put them together again, so yeah. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Mark Gebauer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the like button. And if you want to see our whole collection of second-hand and new watches, or if you want to sell your watch, please visit our website.